how's it going? Hope you have a shit one. So today we start off early, it's a Sunday, and I'm going to my friend's shop once again to install something for my car. Yep guys, we are starting off early in the morning. As you can see, it's 8:30 and hopefully the install that I planned will work. So I've arrived to my friend's shop, Junior Center. They just opened, so they are preparing right now. Hopefully I can do everything smoothly today because I'm not sure how is it. The things that I bought hopefully can fit. So today I'm installing fuel regulator. This is Sard and also the Tomei fuel meter. So my friend's gonna help me to install everything and hopefully all goes well.
别动嘞，不可能这样做。
你会这样省嘅咩？
不大可以，其实。connect 到这个我 relocate 那个地方。
So right now we are figuring out ways to allocate this regulator. Hopefully we can find a solution for it. So we have found a location to put. We have to relocate the map sensor. Just gonna zip tie somewhere here. Thank God there is some space for it.
Hey, 7 Joe.
So to shit. 它也不一样 size 了。
是 Yes.
So we got the adapter in. Next thing is the fuel line, everything. Everything is in already. Fuel regulator. So just a quick one, I got this from Shopee. Tomei fuel pressure meter and the fuel regulator itself is Sard. Altogether I think it costs 80 plus with the adapter. You have to buy this separately. Hopefully it works as it is. But I see the review, everything seems okay. The one that I'm using right now seems like it's also working. We can adjust the fuel. So one reason why I was planning to install this thing because the last time I went for tuning at a higher RPM it didn't push enough fuel. So with this we can adjust and monitor the fuel itself. Now the install is done. I was planning to do an oil change. And after this, hopefully we can send for a retune. So yeah, if you're looking to install all of this, my friend, this shop, he can install all of it for you and you can come. I'm gonna leave once again the link, Facebook down below. You can search the location in Facebook or you can help install, well, everything including this one if you are planning to install one for your car. So right now we're gonna do an oil change. Since we are here, it's been almost a year, haven't changed a new oil.
Oil change, nigga.
And then the oil that we're going to use is Valvoline 1540.
Where's the oil, nigga?
If you guys want to do any oil change, you can find him. And he will recommend the best oil for you.
你知道 LS 有 four-wheel drive 吗？
那是多少钱啊？电脑
300-400块。
这种车，哎，我那种车也好用啊哈。
没有，哎，可能啊，
3.6而已哈。
可能是
So it started to rain. We are in. Oil change done. So everything done and service is done. So once again, thank you to my friend Valentino. All good. Let me just quickly talk to you guys what has happened. Basically, I've installed the fuel regulator and also changed my engine oil. And also we did a test run to make sure everything is alright. Luckily, he checked through everything because there's a stretch at the cable of the distributor. So he helped me fix that as well. Thank God for that. If you need anything, oil change, doing any install, you can always come to Dream Wheel Center and he will definitely help you out. So if you watch until the end of the video, make sure to hit that like button down for me and also smash that subscribe button down for me. I hope to do more videos about my car. The next planning for this car is I'm hoping to go for a retune because the last time I already installed a piggyback for my car and at that time a lot of things are still stuck, so I've changed up a lot of things already. So hopefully this time I can gain some power by going to retune it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out guys, thank you.